Unleash your desire to embrace the great outdoors with this awesome 2018 Wildcat Ultralite 26CK fifth wheel from TradeWinds RV. This Wildcat Ultralite features AlumaCat welded construction with a custom painted front cap. There are oversized pass-through storage compartments, and there are tinted safety glass windows with black frames throughout. The windows in the slide-out rooms open for cross-ventilation. The large folding grab handle makes for easy, safe entry into the unit. When you step inside the rear living area, you'll see a hide-a-bed sofa across the back wall and a dinette housed in a slide-out. A freestanding table with chairs instead of a booth is an available option as well. The kitchen features a stainless steel oven with glass flush mount cover, a microwave, an 8 cubic foot refrigerator with raised panel doors, one-piece upgraded countertops, and a stainless steel double bowl sink. Some of the cabinet doors have glass inserts as well. The entertainment center includes an extra-large LED TV and a stereo with DVD player. When you ascend the stairs, you'll come to the master bathroom that offers a residential shower with tile pattern, an extra-large sink, porcelain toilet, robe hooks, and linen storage. In the master bedroom, you'll enjoy a queen-sized bed with designer headboard, mirrored wardrobes, and a nightstand. Go to TradeWindsRVCenter.com to shop the nation's largest selection of motorized and towable RVs at the lowest prices around, or give us a call at 810-547-5965 to talk directly with one of our friendly, experienced salespeople who work hard to find our customers the right RVs at the right prices. Shop TradeWinds today.